Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have an Instagram professional account. Open the Instagram app on your Android or iOS device. Head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. In your profile, you'll find the Professional Dashboard section under the About section. Tap on it to access the professional dashboard. Then, tap on the gear icon to navigate to the settings page. Select the Creator option. Choose the Connect or Create option. A pop-up will appear. Tap on the Continue button. On the next page, tap on Login to Facebook. Log into your Facebook account by entering your credentials or selecting your saved account from the list. Confirm the connection by tapping on Continue. Your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.